If you're looking for legitimate remote job opportunities, HiringCafe is a platform worth checking out. Unlike many traditional job boards, HiringCafe says its listings are sourced directly from employers' career pages, which can make it easier to find opportunities and apply through the employer's own website. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use HiringCafe to find remote jobs, filter for entry-level opportunities, check job details, once you're on HiringCafe, look for the job search and filtering options. First, select remote so you're only looking at jobs that can be performed remotely. Next, set your minimum pay to around $20 per hour if that option is available for the job you're searching for. And if you're new to the workforce, select entry level to narrow the results down to positions that may be more suitable for beginners. Take a moment here and let the results refresh. You should now have a much more focused list of remote opportunities. Instead of scrolling through hundreds of listings, use keywords based on the type of work you're interested in. For example, try searching for virtual assistant, then you can try data entry. And another popular search is customer support. You can also experiment with related keywords and job titles. Different companies may use different names for very similar positions. The goal is to test a few searches and compare the results rather than applying to the first job you see. When you find something interesting, don't immediately click apply. First, open the listing and carefully read the job description. Check the company name, responsibilities, required qualifications, location requirements, compensation, and employment type. Most importantly, look at where the application takes you. HiringCafe says its jobs are sourced directly from employer career pages, so applying through the actual employer's website is a good sign. Never pay someone to apply for a job, and be cautious if someone asks for sensitive information before you verified that you're dealing with the real company. If everything checks out, follow the employer's official application process and submit your resume and application. And that's it. The key is not simply finding a remote job, it's finding the right job, checking the details carefully, and applying through a legitimate employer. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more work from home and online career tutorials, and check the links in the description for additional resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.